morning. It's Travel Tips with Lori. Welcome to Paradise. Show them Paradise, where we are today. All right, welcome to Cancun, where we're going to do Travel Tip Tuesdays today. Lucky you get to do it. Your viewing here is at this beautiful resort. Lucky for me, I'm here, right? I have my notes, and we're going to go over just a few things today. We're going to go over packing. Now, I know I touched a bit on that on the last Travel Tips. This is going to be a little different, and it's going to be shorter. I like to make some long and make some short. But first of all, let's start with checking your local weather. For example, we all purchased these yesterday because it is hot in Cancun, even in May. So, you know, if you're coming June or July or August, woo, but it's still worth it. Check your local weather. Another reason to check that weather, and here's a big tip. When I went to South Africa, I first did the safari. It was 100 degrees. But then we went to Cape Town, which was a little flight later, and it was 65 degrees. So I had to pack for two different weathers on this one trip. And I'm sure there's trips you've made that was the case as well. So always watch your local weather for your packing on the day that you're gonna arrive. Check that weather for the date that you're gonna arrive. Okay, now, another little tipping pack that I do that I found very helpful is roll your clothes before you put them in your suitcase. Now what I'll do is I'll put the pants and the top, roll them together because that's my prepared outfit for one of my days, and tuck it right in the suitcase. It helps your packing so much. It makes a lot more room. And also make a list. Make a list before you pack so you know exactly every outfit for every day or any event that you have to go to. You have your list ready and then roll those clothes. That's that day, that day. This is all very helpful when you have to go on a 2-week or a 3-week trip that has limited luggage restrictions. For example, the South Africa trip again that I was referring to, we could only bring 40 pounds of luggage for 3 weeks. That's all their aircrafts could take. So we were creative and we were rolling clothes and making lists and all those things that are important for you. Now, just to add, I want to go over TSA. And I'm not talking about travel savings ambassadors, okay? I'm talking about the TSA security at the airport. I want to get everyone familiar with the 311 rule. The 311 rule with TSA security at the airport is 3 ounces, 1 quart clear bag, 1 per person. So make sure your carry-on qualifies with the 311 rule. Also, if you haven't gotten TSA approval, be sure to do that at the airport. You'll have an interview, and there's a charge. It changes. I think now it's $99. And they interview you, and then you'll always have TSA approved on your boarding pass to go through security with much more ease. And you won't have to take out your laptop. You don't have to take off your shoes. The line is shorter, which is more important. Even my local airport, DFW, a lot of times I can go to that airport and get through pretty smooth. But on Monday morning, watch out because the lines take forever. Las Vegas, other cities, it seems their lines are always long. So be sure to get your TSA approval at the airport, at your local airport, to ease your way through security. Another special tip, global security. Be sure to get your global security, and that is also done at the airport with an interview and an application process, and that eases you through customs. We went through customs coming to Mexico, and we'll go through customs going back in the United States. And if you have global security, boom, you're through it automatically. Did I just say boom? I did. Boom, you're right through it. So get your global security and get through there. Okay, everyone, short one for this Tuesday. Thank you so much for coming to Travel Tip Tuesday. Thank you.